This is your teacher code. So here we have one of calculus question about the integration. We need to talk about this integration, which is about 15x power 5 plus 9x power 3 negative 12 dx, dividing with 3x power 3. So we need to integrate this, but considering the interval. Normally, when you need to remember the formula of the integration by the interval, if you integrate from a to b for a function f of x dx, we normally say that this is f of x, f of b. We say that this is f of x in the interval from a to b, and this is equal to f of b, then negative f of a. So, what will we get here? First of all, we need to integrate. That is the first step. We need to find this f of x. We need to integrate, and when we are going to integrate, you see that at the denominator we have one term, a single term. And this term can be distributed to all other terms. So we may have 15x power 5 over 3x power 3, then plus 9x power 3 over 3x power 3, then negative 12 over 3x power 3 dx. And this is equal to, you can simplify 15 with 3x and this is equal to the integration from 1 to 2 of 5x squared plus this with this, which is 3, this with this is 1, then negative this one and this one, this is 4, so it is 4 over x power 3 or 4 over x power 3, then dx. So we are going now to integrate this one. When we are going to integrate this, you see that we will take the integration from 1 to 2 of 5x squared dx plus the integration from 1 to 2 of 3 dx negative the integration from 1 to 2 of 4. When you take this up to make it easy, we get x power negative 3 dx. So this is 5x power 2 plus 1 over 2 plus 1, the way we do the integration of a variable with a power, then plus 3x, then negative 4x power negative 3 plus 1 over 3 plus 1. Remember that we are integrating the interval from 1 to 2. So this is 5 over 3x plus 3 plus 3x. Then this and this is a negative 2. We multiply here, we take positive 4 over 2, then x power negative 2. Then in the interval of 1 to 2. So this is like 5 over 3 x plus 3 plus 3x, then plus 2 over x squared, then in the interval of 1 to 2. So what you are going to do now, we are going to substitute. Substitute what? Substitute this number. And as I've said, we start from this number and we go to this number. This is 5 over 3, then 2 power 3 plus 3, 2. We are using this number, then plus 2 over 2 square. We subtract, and then we are going to use this 1. So when we subtract 5 over 3, 1 plus 3, plus 3, there is a 1, then plus 2 over 1 square, like that. Now, what do we get here? Here we get 5 over 3 of 8, plus 6, then plus 4, 2 over 4. We subtract with 5 over 3, which is this, then plus 3, then plus 2, like that. What do we get here? Then we will get this number times this number. It is 40 over 3 plus 6 plus this one is a half. It is 5 times 8, which is 40. Then negative. We can find the common denominator here, which is 3. Here we have 1. Here we have 1. So the common denominator is 1, is 3. Then you have 5 plus 3 divided with 1, we get 3. Multiply with 3, we get 9. 3 divided with 1, we get 3. Then we multiply with this, we get 6. Then here also we can find the common denominator, which is 6. So we get 80. 6 negatives. Subtract, divided with 3, we get 6. With negative 2, multiply, we get 80. We add with 36, then we add with 3. It is this divided with this, then multiply here. It is this divided with 1, then multiply here. Then we subtract with, this is 14, this is 20 over 3. So here, what do we get here? We get 39, we add, we get 119 over 6 negative 20 over 3. So we make 6 the common denominator, lowest common multiple, then we divide with this, we get 119, then we subtract with 40. So we get 79 over 6. This is the final answer. Thank you very much.